Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to add PEPE coin to Trezor wallet. So here are the steps to add PEPE coin to Trezor wallet. First step is to connect your Trezor to MetaMask. So to do that, open MetaMask and unlock it. Go to the profile icon and select Connect Hardware Wallet. Choose Trezor and then just follow the on-screen instructions and connect your device. This will allow you to interact with Ethereum-based tokens, including PEPE coin. Step 2 is to find the contract address for PEPE coin. To do that, just visit Etherscan or a similar blockchain explorer. This is how it looks like. So just search for PEPE coin and ensure that you have the verified contract address. And for example, it might look like this one. And then just double check the address from official PEPE coin sources, for example, their website or official announcements. Step number 3 is to add PEPE coin to MetaMask. So to do that, just open MetaMask and with your Trezor connected account, scroll down in your asset list and click Import Tokens. Paste the contract address for PEPE coin in the contract address field. MetaMask should autofill the token symbol and decimal places. Click the Add Custom Token and then Import Tokens. Step number 4 is to access PEPE coin in Trezor Suite. So Trezor Suite doesn't directly support displaying custom tokens. However, your Trezor still secures them as they're on the Ethereum address. So to view or manage your PEPE coin, you will need to use MetaMask or another Ethereum wallet connected to your Trezor. And that's basically it. That's how you add PEPE coin to Trezor wallet. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!